Let's begin another main topic, which is how we can make our students strategic in terms of understanding second language when they read a text, or when they are in the process of decoding some words. What strategies are there which we can teach, or whether these strategies are teachable, and to what extent these strategies, if taught, can make our students good readers. So this is an introductory module where we'll look at what we're going to cover throughout this main topic, developing strategic second language readers. So in this main topic, we will continue to see how reading can be taught, and within reading how we can teach strategies, and how the use of strategies can make readers good in terms of comprehending the text or inferring the meaning of a given text. So learning to read is, as most of you may be aware of this fact, that it's more a learning to solve a puzzle, a problem. So it's not a simple way, rather there are certain strategies which we have to take recourse to, and which the research suggests that the good readers employ certain strategies when they read second language texts, or when they grapple with, when they face problems in terms of understanding certain words, or when they face certain syntactic problems. So they make the use of certain strategies. So we will continue to see what are these strategies out there in second language acquisition, and how well these can be taught to the students. So we will continue to see to what extent these strategies are teachable, and if taught, how these can help promote competent readers. So strategic competence in second language reading is all the more important because it helps students decode the meaning if they even don't know some of the words, or they don't know some of the sentences. So overall, it's all about making the best use of the prior knowledge about a certain text, or how the cultural differences may affect. So we will look at which sort of strategies is more effective and which is less effective. So throughout this text, we will see how reading actually can better be helped by developing strategies of comprehending text or making meaning of the text. So of course, when we talk about strategies, we naturally think of some important points, which is the background knowledge and the comprehension strategies. And this is how, like the good readers, why they become good readers, because they have certain comprehension strategies as compared to struggling readers. So throughout this main topic, we will look at some of the strategies out there suggested by research, SLA research, and their usefulness for teaching reading skills. So these strategies actually can be called or termed as techniques, approaches, or skills, right? And this is what is, the research suggests that some good readers, they have these skills, techniques, and approaches which they make their use while understanding the text. So skilled readers, strategic readers, in other words, they are more proficient in terms of applying their background knowledge of the text, and they are more capable of inferring the main points of the text. So it's how these strategies actually, and the main purpose of this main topic, another main topic, is how well second language teachers, when you become second language teachers or EFL teachers in the classroom, how you can help your students develop these strategies of becoming good and effective readers. And I mean, we teach this main topic will help you become aware of some information that teaching reading shouldn't be taken for granted, that it doesn't come by itself, and it's not involving the translation or the making the use of the dictionary. Rather, it's more than that. It's more about developing strategies amongst second language students. We will continue to see what's the significance of these strategies, or what's the importance of these skills, techniques, and approaches, and how these skills, techniques, and approaches are teachable, and how we can, as language teachers, can help our students develop these strategies.